Hey guys, welcome to video 3 of Keto Takeover Week. Now today I want to show you my all-time favorite guilt-free dessert. This is my keto chocolate cake mug recipe. Plus, I'm also going to show you how you can make more keto-friendly cheat foods like these so you can still enjoy your favorite foods even when you're on a keto diet. So before we dive into this recipe, let me give you a little recap on what's been going down so far during my Keto Takeover Week here on SixPackAbs.com. So in celebration of finally completing the research and development behind my brand new keto diet course, I've been releasing videos this week covering some of the most talked about topics in the world of keto. I've already covered the science of ketosis and what makes it superior to other trending diets like the popular diet known as the Atkins diet or the caveman-friendly paleo diet. And I've also broke down the science of becoming fat adapted. So if you missed the first videos of my Keto Takeover Week, I need you to go back and watch those. So now for this cake recipe. All right, so this keto cake recipe is just here to prove to you how easy it is to eat good tasting foods even when you're on a ketogenic diet. I have 1 ounce of dark unsweetened baking chocolate. I'm gonna put that into a mug, just a microwave safe mug, all right? And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put this in the microwave for about 30, 45 seconds. I just wanna melt that down. Feel that radiation. All right. So that's about 40 seconds or so. Perfect. Okay, so I've got the chocolate melted, 1 ounce of chocolate, 1 tablespoon of organic grass-fed butter, all right? Make sure that's all mixed up. Okay, now it's where it gets a little more complicated, but not really. All right, so I've got 3 tablespoons of almond flour. The cool thing is, on keto, you can use almond flour in place of flour, and it makes just about every single dessert or pastry or whatever keto-friendly. So 3 tablespoons of that. Okay, then I have 3 tablespoons of erythritol. You can use stevia, you can use monk fruit, you can use erythritol, whatever you want, as long as it doesn't have carbs. Okay, then all I have here is a half teaspoon of baking powder. Baking powder, not baking soda, all right? Add that in there. Lastly, I have 1 egg that's already been beaten. I'm gonna mix that up. And it's very important when you do this that you use a mug that is gonna give you about 2/3 room. So what I mean by that is you want the ingredients to only take up about 1/3 of the cup because this is gonna rise quite a bit, mainly because of the baking powder in here. Remember, baking powder, not baking soda. Okay, so you wanna make it until it's just like a simple kind of regular dough consistency. Oh, that's so good already. Now, put the sucker in here for about 60 seconds. All right, let's see what we got. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. I just made, in like 3 minutes, I made a keto chocolate cake. Guys, you can put a little bit of heavy whipping cream on this, you can put a little bit of coconut whipped cream on it, whatever, as long as it's, again, sweetened with something that doesn't have carbs in it. You're talking some pretty awesome stuff. Now, the cool thing is, this is just one keto treat that you can make. Another thing is you can take cream cheese, you can melt it down, you can add some erythritol, some stevia to it. That way you can make a cheesecake. Man, you can make so much different stuff. My wife makes some amazing scones, she makes muffins, all this stuff. I'm fortunate enough that I've got a wife at home that loves to bake. So she bakes all kinds of keto stuff so that I can still enjoy my favorite foods, even the foods that I used to eat when I was like 280 pounds. So literally, even this I can make. Okay, this is pretty basic. So someone that is completely inept when it comes down to cooking, I can handle this. Now, that's not it though. You can get more recipes just like this in the Ketox cookbook. So when you get the Ketox program, you're gonna find that there's a bunch of recipes in that Ketox cookbook. So we're talking dessert recipes, we're talking breakfast recipes, lunch recipes. And guys, my entire point of saying this is that this is not a limiting diet. Okay, this isn't something where it completely keeps you from ever having fun. It's not a diet, it's a lifestyle. You can get fat adapted and enjoy good tasting food. So okay guys, there you have it. I want you to be sure to post in the comments how the recipe turned out for you guys. And also let me know if there are any other of your favorite guilty pleasures that you'd like me to post an adaptation recipe video for, because I'd love to do it. So I want you to stay tuned for the rest of the week because Keto Takeover Week is just getting started. And remember, if you want to get my entire Ketox diet course for free, all you have to do is enroll early by clicking the link that's down in the description straight below. At the end of this week, I'm going to randomly draw 100 lucky viewers from my early enrollment list and send them their free copy of my complete Ketox course absolutely free. And for you early enrollers, I'm going to email you a free digital copy of my Pizza Lovers Cookbook right to your inbox just for opting in for your chance to win Ketox free. All right, stick around for tomorrow's video where I cover one of the most overlooked components to the modern day keto diet. That is your veggies. So in tomorrow's video, I'm gonna explain why skipping your veggies can be a single most fatal error to reaching your full health potential on the keto diet. And I'll also share with you the top 3 veggies that you really need to be eating when you're doing keto. So I look forward to seeing you there, and make sure you're keeping it keto. See you soon.